English Uncovered, Mastering Open-Ended Questions. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another episode of English Uncovered. Today, we are diving deep into a very important part of conversational English, namely open-ended questions. By the end of this video, you will master the art of formulating open-ended questions using the key question words: who, what, where, when, why, and how. Open-ended questions are inquiries that cannot be answered with a simple yes or no. These questions require more thoughtful responses and thus stimulate deeper conversations. Who, what, where, when, why, and how are the primary words we use to start these types of questions. The question word, who, is used when you want to ask about people. It's a versatile tool that helps you discover more about the relationships, identities, and roles of the people someone interacts with. For example, who is your best friend? Or, who do you admire the most? When we need information about things or activities, we turn to the question word, what? It's one of the most commonly used question words and can be used in a variety of contexts. Examples of questions using what might include, what is your favorite book? Or, what do you like to do in your free time? To ask about location or direction, we use the word where. It's an essential tool in daily routines, as it helps us orient ourselves in the world and in others' lives. For example, where do you work? Or, where is your favorite place to relax? Time-related queries involve the word when. It's invaluable in scheduling and understanding the sequences of events in someone's day. For example, when do you usually wake up? Or, when do you prefer to do your workouts? To delve into reasons, explanations, or motivations, we use the question word, why. This word often brings us closer to understanding someone's habits, decisions, or preferences. For example, why do you enjoy painting? Or, why did you choose your current job? The last of our question words, how, helps us ask about methods, ways, or manners of doing things. It's the key to uncovering processes and techniques. For example, how do you stay motivated? Or, how did you learn to play guitar? And that's a wrap for today's lesson on formulating open-ended questions using who, what, where, when, why, and how. Remember, practicing these questions will not only improve your English but also make your conversations more engaging and insightful. Stay curious, keep asking, and you'll keep learning. Until next time, happy learning, everyone.